predictive analytics can forecast demand and supply trends, helping businesses plan their inventory more efficiently. This reduces storage costs and minimizes the risk of overstocking or understocking. And remember, autonomous vehicles aren't just science fiction, they're here, and they're being used in logistics. Self-driving trucks and drones can deliver goods faster and work round the clock, increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. In a nutshell, AI technologies like machine learning, predictive analytics, and autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing logistics and supply chains. They're making them more efficient, more accurate, and more cost-effective. So the future of logistics looks bright thanks to AI. But how exactly does it work? AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's already making waves in logistics and supply chains. Let's delve into some real-world examples. Take the global e-commerce giant, Amazon. They've been using AI to predict demand, optimize routes, and automate warehouses. With AI, they've decreased delivery times and increased efficiency, making our online shopping experience smoother than ever. Then there's UPS, who've harnessed the power of AI for route optimization. Their AI system, Orion, helps drivers avoid traffic and choose the most efficient routes. It's estimated that this saves around 10 million gallons of fuel annually. Over in the manufacturing sector, companies like General Electric are using AI to predict equipment failures and schedule preventative maintenance. This not only reduces downtime but also saves millions in repair costs. AI is also helping smaller businesses by making advanced optimization techniques more accessible. So next time your package arrives exactly when promised, you have AI to thank for it. Let's recap what we've learned about AI in logistics and supply chains. The modern logistics landscape is riddled with challenges, from managing complex routes to predicting demand. Enter AI. It's tackling these problems head-on, offering solutions like intelligent route optimization and predictive analytics. We've seen AI in action, transforming real-world logistics operations into streamlined, efficient systems. AI is revolutionizing logistics and supply chains, making deliveries faster, more efficient, and more predictable than ever before. The future of logistics is here, and it's powered by AI.